his pit stops. They have made their way up to 6 with the 88 car. They lost 7 spots on the pit stop, fell to 15th after that restart. Now, Marty, they work their way back into the top 10. Looks like they've got their arms around this race car.
Yeah, Dale Jr. told the guys, if I can ever get track position after a set of stops, I'll be okay. The car, Larry Mack's been pretty good tonight for Junior. They've been on both sides of the fence, a little bit tight, a little bit loose. On that last run, Junior said it was spin out loose. They put a rounded wedge in the left rear, gotten it a little bit better. Junior, though, loves to run that high line. Wally and Kyle, you know when you're loose, it's hard to run that high line, isn't it?
Yeah, and he runs it well. He's got cool gloves. He's got the coolest gloves. I got a picture with the bones on it. But, you know, Junior's one of those guys, he just likes to run there. It doesn't matter what his car does. But it is hard to run up there when it's loose. There's no question about it. You know, watching it, you know, it looks like the car's fairly comfortable for him. He's not really doing much crazy with his hands.
But how many times do we see Junior go to the high line or Casey Kane go to the high line early in the race when we talk about this, and then you rubber up the racetrack. So it's green up there now, so no matter what your car's doing, you've got pretty decent grip over there. When the grip goes away and you're on the high side of the racetrack, you look like Kyle Busch coming through 3 and 4 earlier in the night. You just ricochet off the wall. But Junior makes that line work. That's why Harry Gant used to make that line work. King used to make that line work. Instantly they would go right up next to the wall, but everybody else didn't go up there. Now we have so many guys that are talented and go up there and run up there. You know, it becomes another place, but it rubbers up really quick.
But look at the closing speed of Mark. On board.
I remember at the start of the race, he had that shield on. It was a tear-off. So once that sun went down over there behind 3 and 4, he just tore that thing off, and now he's got a clear shield. We didn't used to have that stuff.